पर लाओ तो खरा पहले
आइए।
Hello everyone. We are students of JC Baruch and under the subject entrepreneurship, we are going to explain on topic how to start an online travel business. This PPT is made by Rabari Hiren, Raja Vaibhav, Rana Keval, Rana Mayur and Rana Nisar. Next.
The tour and travel industry is growing fast and is in fact among the largest industry in the world. According to an estimate, the global contribution of the tour and travel industry is over 7.6 trillion US dollars. This industry is vast and involves direct and indirect business such as transportation, accommodation, and entertainment. Next. There is a vast scope for growth of your startup online travel business due to ever increasing demand for the service for the tourists and travelers. This is one of those businesses that can be run successfully online, even from home. There is no need for setting up a bricks and mortar office that need hug funds and other expensive resources. You can start with little funds later on as company grows. You will hire employees to cope up with the increasing demand from the customers. Next, a travel business is easier to start online, but there is a competition to tackle. Many established companies and new entrants are your direct competitor in this field. This step will give your business a roaring start and cover all the visual aspects cleverly and strategically. Next.
For starting online travel business, we need to follow some steps. The first step is plan everything in advance. Plan every little aspect in advance. Do not start anything in hurry as it may prove to be costly and at the end in many ways. So the planning will depend on a lot on the type of business you choose. For example, if you want to be a home-based travel agent, you will be looking for a host travel agency. For such a business, you need to adopt a straightforward planning approach. Identify future opportunities. This helps in managing your limited resources as well. Next, second step is know your niche well. There are already many travel agencies and related businesses operating in a given locality. They have grabbed a fair amount of market share due to their aggressive marketing. On the best ideas to find out your niche is to get a first-hand experience of the market. You should interact with the travelers and tourists to know what problems they are combating at present. Attend industry events and observe the products or services delivered to the tourists. You should think of delivering a valuable service. Next, third step is use a host agency. If you are a new agent, it is advisable to use the host agency. A host agency is beneficial when you are looking for a low startup cost and high commission. You will also get administrative support from the agency. But if you are an experienced agent who has already built relationship with the suppliers, then you can opt for own acceleration. Next,
Now, 4 point is decide on the funding resources. Whenever we are starting a business, we are we have a, uh special amount of or financial supporting which we needed. You need financial helps for creating and designing marketing materials like a professional website. You can look for variety of funding resources ranging from personal loan to angel investment and venture capital funding. Remember that consistent cash flow is essential to meet the some unexpected expenses. Next, now fifth point is make a branding strategies. Branding is all about how you can feel your customer about your company. You should able to give your customer a substantial reasons to use your services, and they are booked from trip from your website. For instance, for instance, for tourist attraction in USA, you may also provide a tourist 1 day free touring services. It will attract a lot travels or to the your business. Next, sixth point is take care of legal issues. Some state on the legal issues, some states have relaxed their rules regarding to licensing for travel industry, while others have laws in place. Besides specific licenses, you may you may also need general licenses such as limited liability company. You will also applying for tax ID number. These legal formalities are crucial for your businesses as it creates to a logo which is your trademark. Now I hand over to Mayurana.
7 point is hire employees. We have to hire the following types of employees for our online travel business. You will need a website designer who can design your travel agency's websites as per your requirements. You will also need the best graphic design services of the experienced professionals who can create logos, brochures, etc. material for business promotion. We will also hire high-tech software experts for a glitch-free experience for your customers when they visit your online business. The professionals will also resolve any technical breakdowns that you may experience. Next, the 8 point is opt for an aggressive advertising. We also have to do aggressive advertising of our business. Since not many people know your online travel business, you need to make them aware of who you are and what services you offer. The only way to ensure it is to launch an aggressive advertisement campaign. Make sure that you have a brochure ready for your online visitors. Use email marketing, newspaper ads, and other advertisement means to promote your company. Next, the ninth point is encourage people to share content. Also, we have to encourage people to share our content. You should also engage customers with your business. A way to ensure it is to ask the satisfied customers to share their travel experiences with your audience using your travel websites. Ask them to leave their photographs from their journey. People can see these photos to get inspiration. You can also run a competition for the best travel pictures and give an award such as a small discount for the next trip to the winner. Now I hand over to Nisarg Rana.
So the 10th steps for the online travel business is to invite reviews. You should encourage your satisfied customer to write something about the trip. The potential customer will visit your site, and if they find positive reviews about your agency from the old customers, they are likely to buy your services. So the invite reviews is a very crucial steps to enhance our business. 11th point is to use social media. You can make good use of Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms such as a communication tool. Use this tool as your marketing platform. Tell your customers about the new services, reduction in prices, new packages, etc. You should also add photos, videos, and other content on your social media page. And also, you should invite people to share their tour experiences on your page. So the social media platform is very crucial to enhance our business to the various areas which can't go through the newspapers and such like medias. So now the conclusion of all those steps we cover is this: when planning your online travel business, make sure that you know your niche, means the market of the business travel businesses. Research the travel industries, business, and market thoroughly to find out which niche will attract customers. Use your website, social media, and other tools for business promotions. Engage your potential customers and interact with them whenever you possibly can. So hope you all understand which are the various steps to go through online travel agencies or any business. So thank you.